Welcome back, guys, to another Durst product overview. Today we've got the test benches, the Alternator test benches. This is the Deluxe model 600 series. We've got Tony here from Durst, the sales manager, to talk a little bit about the product, the benefits and how it works. Remember, these are Australian designed and made. These are unique units. They are really, really high quality. Take us through some of the features, Tony, on this product.
Thanks, Andrew. So today we're looking at the 600 Deluxe test bench. It's designed to test both alternators and starter motors. Starter motors up to 500 amps and alternators and generators up to 100 amps. Some of the features of this machine include a inbuilt diode tester, a regulator tester, a voltmeter, tacho, and an amp meter. Now I'm going to quickly run through how easy this machine is to operate. So we'll switch it on from the main switch. As you can see, I have a control here in my hand, which is remote that you can stand in front of the machine and test. We'll just turn it on. Now, as I'm spinning up the alternator, you'll see that the field warning light, which simulates the warning light within the motor car, will switch off. The voltmeter will increase and the amps will increase, indicating that the alternator is charging. So we'll just spin this up.
There it goes, it's turned off, yeah.
So the warning light's turned off. As you can see there, the alternator's putting out 25 amps and 14 volts at the moment. As I increase speed, the current will slowly drop, the voltage will slowly increase, indicating the alternator's working properly. I'll slowly drop that down. Now this also controls the motor, allows it to go in reverse direction up to 5,000 RPM, in both directions 5,000 RPMs. And that's it. That's how simple this machine is to use.
Wow, so it's just really a one-stop shop for your alternator testing equipment. It's got a great V-clamp, it clamps everything without damaging the alternator. This is a great product. If you want to know more about this, check out the Durst website or call Durst in Sydney. And this is the big brother of the previous one, correct, Tony?
Yes, it is. Yes.
Tell us a bit about this one and why people would choose this and what's the difference between the original 600 Deluxe series.
All right. Thanks, Andrew. So the additional features of the 1200 compared to the 600 is that it has a powerful 4 kilowatt 415 volt three-phase motor. It also allows you to test alternators up to 220 amps and starter motors up to 1500 amps. It also has an additional feature of a carbon rheostat where it allows you to load up the alternators when you're testing it, so you can put a traditional load on the alternator to test the output of the alternator.
That's quite clever. So adding that load also makes it more. You can finite down to the testing of the actual alternator.
Of the alternator, yes. It simulates a load in the field.
Yeah, same principle. The warning light comes on and the amp, all the meters there. It's essentially the same as the Deluxe 600 series. If you want to know more about these very impressive Australian design, Australian made alternator and starter benches, if you want to know more about, check out the Durst website or contact Durst in Sydney. Till next time, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.